How's it going, guys? You're here because you're looking for some passive income ideas in 2020. Um, Not sure what industry you're from or if you're a total newbie, but I'm gonna specifically talk to you about some things, and all you're gonna do is click the link below. You're gonna find all the information. When looking for passive income ideas in 2020, you want to really follow, I say, 2 to 3 big things. One, you want to figure out how much money you want to make and how you want to make it and when you want to make it. Do you want to make it daily? Do you want to make it weekly? Or do you mind it being monthly, depending on how great the company is? Two, which kind of really is number one for me, the product, service, or digital product, whatever it is. You want to make sure you believe in it, you understand it, and it's going to fit your lifestyle. You don't want to be, the worst thing you could be doing is offering a passive income thing, and it's something you don't really use or you don't really care about. You're not really going to be passionate about it. You're going to fall off. And three, you want to make sure when joining any of these businesses that the training community is going to get you to the next level. Because if you're someone that's totally new to this industry, whether it's affiliate marketing, direct sales, MLM, whatever, and you're pretty much trying to jump in, you have the money. Moral of the story is, if you do not have the right training, or not even just the right training, but it in a way that can duplicate when you sign other people up, or where you can pinpoint the few things you want to actually do, you're going to be out of heart. I've been in this industry for 7 years. I've bought training courses. I've bought watered down training courses. I watch people sell the same training, and I watch people waste my time. So you want to make sure the training is right. For example, when you join the specific business that I'm talking about now, we're not talking about, but I'm really promoting right now the most. You're gonna get training that comes with the digital product. You're gonna get training that's gonna actually show you how to make your own digital products and get your own digital products out there. For someone who wants to eventually do their own thing. Two, we have team training that's gonna focus on the specific social media things. The Instagram training, the Facebook training, the YouTube training, etc. And then three, we have other ninja secrets that's going to focus on paid advertisement, safe lists, solo ads, email marketing. What else am I missing? Bing ads, those real detailed things that you're wondering, dang, how are these big people making all this money? These are the things, text blasts. These are the things they're doing. We give you everything. So whether you want to come in on a free budget and do free advertisement, free classified ad websites, or you want to come in and get it going and do paid things, we give it all to you. But the moral of the story is, you want to join someone genuine, someone you could believe. I guess someone with a track record, but that really doesn't matter, because I joined sponsors who make millions, 6 figures, and those are they're harder to even get in touch with anyway. So you really just want to join somebody that's going to be there for you. You can actually contact someone that's going to make things simple. That's why I love our team. It's simple. We have a Facebook group with step 1, step 2, setting up your payment processors, how you want to get paid. Everything's 1, 2, 3, move on to this. And I love that. So I could bring someone in, give them the rundown, and then direct them to something that's going to give them the rundown too. And this is how you make passive income in 2020. On top of that, the program that I'm going hard with, really about to take off with, is paid daily commissions with different ways: Cash App, PayPal's, Stripe, Zella's. I always think I pronounced that wrong, but we're paid in different ways, but we're paid in ways that pay us every single day. So, you really just have to play this back and really figure out, do you feel that energy? Do you feel that energy? Do you feel that I'm genuine? I've been making videos for a long time. I've even erased a lot of videos, but I've been doing this. But anyways, guys, I'm going to leave you with this. If you're ready to get started with, everything going on now, shutdown, lockdown, layoffs, if you're really ready to take this thing to the next level, come in this thing with excitement, come in this thing ready to take off as quick as today. I'm not saying results are guaranteed or today you're just going to come in and make $500 today. But be ready to go and get it. Don't come in and chill, just kind of go through the training and chill and take 2-3 weeks to kind of go through everything. Come in ready to go. I'm usually up all night. I'll have you activated as soon as I send your payment and ready to go as soon as tonight. So be ready. That's all I could say. 2020 is looking kind of crazy, but we're going to get it going. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Get us a thumbs up because everyone doesn't buy right away. So just stay tuned. Stay watching. You might see something you like. Have a good day.